Hey, welcome back, wonderful peeps. Today I'm making a delicious Jamaican flavored chicken soup. Again, most of y'all, if not all of y'all, know I'm in Florida. We don't, and it's summertime right now, but for me, I'm from Jamaica. Every Saturday we knew it was soup time. Marrying a man from Montana, that gets a little rough around here sometimes. Even my daughters, when they were home, complain about it. But for me, it's not even so much on Saturdays. When I see the rain set up outside, I'm ready for some soup. I woke up to some rain this morning. Unfortunately, it stopped. But I'm hoping and praying that by the time my soup is done, it'll be back. Or we just have to turn the AC down, very cold, so somebody don't complain about sweating. So to get started here, guys, I have one split chicken breast here that's been seasoned. See, I put some slices in there. This has been seasoned, sitting down. To season it up, I have black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken seasoning, a little bit of the Jamaican Scotch bonnet, dry Scotch bonnet pepper, a little Creole season. And then over here, I have all my ingredients ready to go. Over here, I have fresh ginger, garlic, carrots, pumpkin, celery, onion, green onions, and there's some thyme over here. Here I have cassava, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and I even have my dough made for my little spinners. I'm going to do spinners and not actual dumplings. So guys, in the pot here, I have a little bit of olive oil, about a teaspoon of olive oil heated up. I'm going to brown this off. And also over here, my tea kettle, I have water boiled. Ouch. To put in here, my grandmother always said to keep a pot on the stove for when you need water to use hot water. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't. So I'm going to come back once I'm finished browning the chicken and we get started on our soup, okay? So I have seared off the chicken just a little bit. To this, I'm going to add my onions and garlic, all my mirepoix, including the ginger and the pumpkin. That Scotch bonnet is getting to me. Is that what you use? I'm going to cook this down, guys, about 8-10 minutes, continuously stirring it, and I'll see you back that time, okay? Alright guys, I'm back. So what I did while I was gone, I added a few bay leaves to the pot, and like I said, I've been stirring it like this every 2 minutes or so. It's been cooking for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna add one chicken bouillon cube in there. Now I'm going to add my hot water for my tea kettle. I will tell you the amount of total water I add in here at the end because this tea kettle is in liters. And homegirl, you're gonna have to go figure out liter the cost, okay? That's just the bowl I seasoned the chicken in. I wanted whatever was left. I add the bouillon cube in there, but I'm not going to add any more seasonings for right now. I want to add enough water to cover the chicken. I'm going to have to fill this back up. Okay. I'm going to cook this about 30 minutes because I want the chicken to get to a point where at the end I can shred it a little bit. So I'm going to cook that slowly for 30 minutes and I'll see you back then. 30 minutes since my chicken and my mirepoix vegetables have been cooking. It smells so divine in here. Okay, so all I'm going to add to this right now is these are the yuca cassava. And here is our sweet potatoes. And our regular potatoes. My green onions. And here I'm using the top soup mix. Really? And I'm using 2 of them. Okay. My thyme has gotten dried up. I'm gonna put some fresh thyme in here. I'm gonna start making my spinners. They're just gonna be little dumplings like this, little spinners we call them, and put them in the pot. And I will come back once I get them all in and we're seasoning up the pot real good. Okay guys, so here I have all my ingredients in here. I have tasted this and it doesn't need any more seasonings. From the seasoning that I seasoned up the chicken to the bouillon cube and the cock soup packs, it doesn't need any more seasonings. I did, however, add about a half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. So I'm gonna let this cook about 20 minutes till all the you know, the potatoes, the yuca and all that stuff is cooked. I'm going to take the chicken breast out. I'm going to shred it apart and put it back in there as it cooks. So I'll see you back in about 20 minutes when this is all done. Guys, so we are back and we have a delicious, yummy, healthy pot of chicken soup. Check this out, guys. If somebody saw this, they already have the AC turned down so they can get chilly enough to enjoy this, cause you don't want to miss this. So guys, here you go. This looks so yummy, right? I already tasted it. I added a little bit more of the Jamaican dry Scotch bonnet for more heat. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I want to say thank you for watching. See, I shredded up the chicken in there as I told you I would. I left the bone for additional flavor. You know, some Jamaicans on our bones, but it's just there for flavor. I thank you so much for watching, guys, for the support. Please, if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Like, comment, and share. I want to thank you again. From my family to yours and from my kitchen to yours, you have a fantastic weekend. Love you. Bye.